Hello everyone, welcome back to our in-depth weather bulletin, where we don't just watch the forecast, but also decode every atmospheric movement that is quietly shaping the weather each day. And today, there's a very interesting point to mention right from the start. High pressure is still controlling the weather, but the way it impacts this week is completely different compared to last weekend. Before we begin, please support us by liking and subscribing to the Mr. Tien channel to stay updated with the latest weather forecasts. Morning, chilly but comfortable. Starting with this morning, the air is quite cold, especially in rural areas and sheltered spots. You can clearly feel that light early spring chill, not biting cold, but enough to make you put on an extra layer when heading outside. Temperature, many places are close to the freezing point. Some areas may see light frost. However, the positive point is the weather is mostly dry and fairly bright, with early sunshine filtering through clear patches of sky. Daytime developments. Clouds building, showers begin to form. As we move toward midday and early afternoon, we begin to see a very familiar meteorological process. Fair weather clouds starting to develop more strongly. But don't let the name fool you, because these clouds can quickly thicken and become capable of producing localized showers. Areas most affected. Scotland, the center of instability. Bands of rain moving southwestward. Rain may persist for several hours. Northern and central England plus Wales southeast. Scattered showers developing during the afternoon. Not continuous, but can arrive suddenly. Drier areas, sunshine returns. Meanwhile, the south and northern Ireland. A drier afternoon, sunshine becoming more evident, especially in the south. If you are in a sheltered spot with direct sunshine, it will feel very pleasant, even warm. Temperature, south around 15 degrees Celsius. North sea coasts, only 10 to 11 degrees Celsius, feeling cooler due to the sea breeze. Evening and night, rain eases, conditions become mixed. As we head into the evening, rain will continue, but in Scotland, becoming lighter and more patchy. In parts of northern England, showers may merge into longer spells of rain. Elsewhere, showers become more scattered, with clear spells in between. Frost risk returns overnight. A notable factor returns, rural frost. Sheltered spots, temperatures may drop close to 0 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, cities, 4 to 6 degrees Celsius, noticeably milder. Tuesday, easterly winds start to make their presence felt. Moving into Tuesday, a key change emerges. Easterly winds begin to strengthen significantly. And this will have two major effects. 1. Clearing out rain in the west showers will be pushed away. Conditions become drier, too, but reducing the feels-like temperature. Even if actual temperatures don't drop much, the easterly wind will make it feel noticeably colder. Tuesday afternoon, sun returns, but not as warm as before. Tuesday afternoon, conditions will be largely dry with sunshine returning, but don't be fooled by the sunshine. The easterly wind lowers the perceived temperature, especially in eastern areas. However, in sheltered spots with direct sunshine, it can still feel quite pleasant. The big picture for the week: high pressure to the north. Now for the most important part, what is controlling the overall weather pattern this week? The answer is a large area of high pressure situated to the north. Characteristics: air circulates clockwise, bringing an easterly airflow across the country. Wednesday, a day to watch. Wednesday needs special attention. Rain potential. A low-pressure system may edge into the far southwest, bringing some rain. But the bigger concern, strong winds. In the southwest, gusty winds may develop. Conditions could feel significantly more uncomfortable. Advice: keep an eye on forecasts, especially if you are in coastal or elevated areas. Temperature contrast. Warmer in the west, cooler in the east. A very interesting feature this week. A clear contrast between east and west and south. Less cloud, more sunshine. Temperatures mild and pleasant. East, more cloud. Easterly winds coming straight from the sea. Feeling noticeably cooler. Outlook for next week: warm sunshine may return. Finally, a very promising signal. Next week may bring more pronounced warm sunny spells. Temperatures could reach 18-22 degrees Celsius in some areas. However, this depends heavily on your location. In the west, higher chance of warmth. In the east, may remain cooler due to the wind. This week, High pressure remains dominant, but brings easterly winds, making it feel cooler, with scattered showers, especially in the North Key highlights. Wednesday, strong winds plus chance of rain in the southwest, a very clear east-west contrast. Good news, next week could turn significantly warmer. And that's your full Nth weather bulletin for today. If you found it helpful, don't forget, subscribe to Mr. Tien, and share what the weather is like where you are. Goodbye, and see you in the next update.